So students, today we will start chapter 7 decimals and exercise 7a. Before going to exercise 7a, let us understand some terms of decimals. Like if a fraction given like 1 upon 10, so at denominator we have 10, this is called as a 10 form, and decimals 10's form. If denominator is 100, denominator is 100, we will call this 100th form, hundredths. And if we have like numbers 23.21, okay, so like that, this is the whole number. What do you call this? Whole number. Whole number. This 2 is called 10th part, 10th, and this is called hundredth. Furthermore, if we come 3, this is thousands. Okay, so that is called decimal, and this is called decimal point. Decimal point. Okay. Now look at this. Like and unlike decimals. So what are the like and unlike decimals? Like if we have two decimals 2.34 and 2.3, there are two numbers given 2.34 and 2.3. So we have to check these are the like or unlike. What we do? First check that how many decimal part is here. After point, how many numbers? There is two numbers and there is one number only. So these are the called unlike decimal. If we don't do anything, just count the numbers after decimal point. If the numbers after decimal point are equal, then we will call like. These are not equal, then we will call unlike. The similar case is here. 0.4 and 12.7. After point, how many digit 1? After point, how many digit 1? So these are the called like fraction. Like fraction. Now similarly, question number C. 4.98 and 18.514. That is the question. Now check after point how many digit? 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3. These are the called unlike. Because here is 2 digit, here is 3 digit. So these are not like, not same. So that is why we call it unlike decimal. Okay, the remaining question you can do by yourself. Now we will come to question number 2. Now students, look at the question number 2. Convert the unlike decimals 6.2, 0.1, 12.21 and 2.0034 into like decimals. We have to convert unlike decimals into like decimals. How will you do this? First check which number has the largest fraction decimal part. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we will convert all these 3 decimals into 4 parts, 4 decimal numbers. Okay, how we do this? Like first is given 2.0034. Now second is what? 6.2. What 2 is not? What? These are unlike, because here is 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Here is only one number. So what you can write? 6.2. If we want to convert into like fractions, so write here 6.2 and put 3 0 on the right hand side of 2. 1, 2, 3. If you write zeros on right hand side of this number, there will be no effect. Okay, the number will not change. So this is called like fraction. Like here is 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, and here is also 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. 6.2 0 0. Now next is 0.1. So 0.1 right and put here 1, 2, 3, 0. Same case here 12.21 to write 12.21. Now here is two numbers given already. We want four numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is 1, 2. So these are the all what like. Now all is what like decimal. Okay. So if the numbers after decimal point are not equal, these are called unlike, and numbers after decimal point are equal, that is called like. Now you can count. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. There is also 1, 2, 3, 4 number. 1, 2, 3, 4 number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the all like decimals. Okay. So thank you very much. Next question we will understand in next video.